What's up everyone, and you guys are on Learn Music Now's YouTube channel. Great to see that you all are getting along well with the bar chord. Yes, bar chords can be a little troublesome, but if you spend enough time practicing and being patient, you will get it. Bar chords are a lot of fun and it unlocks the fretboard. You'll be able to play any chord. So just be patient and do not give up on the bar chords. Let's get to it and learn the B minor. Okay, so for B minor, let's start from the basics. Let's do it step by step. Again, your index finger, the duty of your index finger is to bar the entire second fret. Alright, and then when you're playing the B minor chord, let's look at the individual fretting position. Your ring finger goes on the 4th fret of the D string. Right below that, you got to squeeze in your pinky a little bit, make it compact. On the 4th fret of the G string, your middle finger goes on the 3rd fret of the B string, and as discussed, as mentioned, your index is used to bar the entire 2nd fret. That's the B minor. And for those who have managed to learn the A minor, it's very easy to see how to form a B minor. So you'll remember this, right? The open A minor. I'm just using 3 different fingers so that you can see how you can progress and move every chord if you know how to bar them. So one step, another step. So we have managed to move the A minor chord 2 frets higher, like 1, 2. And then the index finger by default does the job of barring the entire 2nd fret. A very cool sounding bar chord. In case if you all have any suggestions, if you all want us to do something special for you all, if you all want us to describe certain chords, feel free to comment down, feel free to interact, and we will be more than happy to get a lot more videos your way. Till then, be patient, be determined, and keep practicing.